Well, we're here at the Hubbell Wiring Systems booth of the 2006 NECA show in Boston, talking with Vic Flagello, product manager.
Yes.
Vic, Hubbell Wiring Systems is known for its commercial, industrial products, but we hear you're doing something in the residential market. Can you tell us something about that?
Yes. Recently, just 2 weeks ago, we announced an entire line of residential products, which is brand new to the marketplace. For many years, a lot of our customers have said, why don't you design residential products? Why aren't you in this business? And finally, we did it. We've got a lot of interesting product here at the show that we just came out with, and I'd love to show you some.
Well, let me see some right now.
Okay, let's step over here. One of the things that Hubbell excels at is what we call power delivery systems. And in this case, it's floor boxes. We do an extremely good job in the commercial marketplace. This is fairly typical of the residential world. And basically, we're looking at a device where you've got a cover and a single receptacle.
Okay.
One of the things we found from our customers is, why don't you make this a duplex? And of course, we do that in the commercial world. So what we did here is we designed a duplex box. We designed a cover mechanism to go on top. And what's unique about this is it's recessed, it fits a duplex, and in addition to that, we designed it with gaskets and covers which stay. So now I can close it and I can have a cord coming out with a very low profile, low arc of bend. So for the homeowner, it can fit comfortably under the couch or under a coffee table. Little things that homeowners and builders told us about.
Is there anything else you can show us right now?
One of the other issues that came up was under cabinet and under counter power. How do you get a receptacle under the cabinet? And the question is why? Well, what happened is there are a lot of design work that's being done with granite black backsplashes these days or tile work. And because of the code requirement, you need to put a receptacle every 4 feet. Well, it really doesn't look that great if I've got some nice design work. So once again, we went out in the marketplace and customers said, can we put it high underneath the cabinet? And the answer is yes, we can. And what Hubbell did here is we came out with what we call an under cabinet box. This box will fit underneath the shelf, and now you can put a receptacle in it, or you can put a GFI in this, or a voice data type device. In addition to that, this device can be mounted 2 different ways. So in other words, if you wanted to put it under the cabinet, once again, you surface mount it. Why would we want to surface mount the product? One of the biggest complaints we got from cabinetry people and homeowners is there's no room inside the center aisle because of the pull-out drawers, and it caused a problem. And that's why we went with a surface mount design, and we also went with a under cabinet design similar to what lighting is doing. Why? Because electricians know how to mount the product. They know how to do the wire termination. So it's very similar to under cabinet lighting, but it's designed specifically just for power.
Well, Vic, you've shown us some niche items. What can you tell us about some of your core products?
Glad you asked. One of the things we asked contractors about was, if we were to come out with a new product, what feature would you like? Mm-hmm. And what came out time and time again is product that's easy to install and also product that's faster. And what we did is we took a basic receptacle and we designed a feature which we call the quick click. Mm-hmm. And with this device, you can take a wall plate and simply snap the plate on. You can add a couple of twists with a screwdriver to button it down. This will save 10 to 12 seconds per device. That's not a lot, but if you add it up over the project or the course of the entire house, you're saving 15, 20 minutes at the end of the day.
Sounds great.